This is how to assemble the Reeb 2 heavy-duty garage shelving. Now, first of all, you're going to put these L-piece plastic pieces on the top of 4 of the sides. Those are going to go on the floor. Now, this kit does come with a pair of safety gloves. I recommend you wear those because the metal is sharp. Now, the side pieces have a flat edge. That's going to face up because that's what you're going to set your shelf on. The first step is to take one of the side pieces and attach it to the top or bottom part where you put those plastic pieces and flip it over like that. And you're going to go all the way around to create a rectangle base. So the pieces touching the ground have that plastic piece inserted, the L-shaped plastic piece on all 4 of those. And you're going to put 2 sides and 2 ends in place. Then you're going to take your rubber mallet, which is included, and you're going to hammer those into place. Make sure that the skinny part of the holes is at the bottom and the wide part is at the top for all of your side pieces. Hammer those down till they go all the way into the smaller side. And now you're going to add these little pieces that'll help you connect the bottom half of the shelf with the top half of the shelf. Now, of course, if you don't want to use those, you can have 2 completely separate shelves. In that case, you would put the L pieces in the top instead of the connector pieces. Now you're going to add your second shelf. I do recommend that you have in mind what you're going to be putting on these shelves first before you put the shelves in place, so you know how high you want to go. It is possible to change them later, but it's a little bit of a challenge because you got to hammer these out of place. And I like the fact that you have to hammer them in because it makes it really sturdy and really secure. Once you do that, you can go ahead and start putting in the actual shelves so you can test them out to put whatever it is you're going to store in place. And then you can add the upper half of the shelf, those side pieces. And those are going to be a little bit flimsy at first, so you're going to want to, well, first add your L pieces in the top of those so you don't have sharp metal up there at the top. But then you're going to want to add another shelf right away to keep those from wobbling around. And I chose to do the one all the way at the top first, just to give this some stability while I'm adding the other shelves. Again, make sure you use that little mallet to really hammer those down into place so that they are nice and secure. You're going to find that this thing is super durable, super strong. There we go. Once you have all your shelves, that's it. And it is ready to be stored. You might want to secure it to the wall for safety.